Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Happy Diwali to all my dear viewers. The Allo Innoware company has sent me their products for reviewing. The Allo company has a wide range of good quality microwave oven safe bakeware, glassware, glass lunch boxes. Allo glasswares are multi-purpose glasswares. You can use it in microwave oven, you can bake it in OTG, you can use it in the freezer, you can use for leftovers, you can use it for storage and also while traveling. Their glasswares are FDA certified and BPA free too. Their glasswares comes in a wide variant of capacities ranging from 310 ml to 1520 ml. They comes in various sizes, rectangle, square and round containers. They also provide a lunch box with dividers and also canvas grey tiffin bags. They have sent me these two boxes. I'm unboxing it. It includes 4 food safe 100% borosilicate glass containers of capacities 370 ml, 640 ml, 1040 ml and 1520 ml. First I'm unboxing the bigger box with 2 glass containers 1520 ml and 640 ml. I got the boxes well packed and the product inside were intact. The glass bottom part has a perfect finish with curved edges. There's a leaflet in each container explaining the features of the glasswares. The lid is made out of fiber. The lid is also of good quality, which ensures that the container is airtight. You can buy these products from their official website www.alloinnoware.com. The MRP of this 4-piece set is 2523, but it is available at a discounted price of rupees 1980. If you buy this product from their official website using the code NASRIN5, you will be getting an additional 5% discount. A wide range of glass containers are available on their website. You can check them out and choose the one you like. You can choose even single piece or in sets. Food remains fresh for long in glass containers. These containers are colorful, durable and it occupies less space in the kitchen. It is microwave oven safe and it can withstand up to 450 degrees Celsius. But you have to always remove the lid before heating in the microwave or OTG oven. Let's unbox the second box as well. It has got 2 glass containers of capacities 1040 ml and 370 ml. They have designed the capacities of the glass containers to fulfill the various requirements in the kitchen. Sometimes we require for baking and all, we require big containers with a greater capacity. For that 1520 ml glass container is the best, but for keeping leftovers and all, we need small containers also to use in the refrigerator. For that purpose, smaller glass containers of capacities 370 and 640 will be very useful. Another speciality of Allo Innoware glasswares are that the lids of these glass containers have break-free detachable locks, and also it has got a removable silicone ring in the lid for easy cleaning. I will show all these further in the video. All the 4 glass containers of different capacities are easily stackable so that it occupies less space. Now let's check whether these containers are leak proof or not. You can see that I have filled the container with some water. You can see that not even a single drop is leaking from the container and it is perfectly leak proof. This leak proof feature is a must while traveling and for lunch boxes. You can also easily remove the silicone ring with the lid, which ensures easy cleaning. Now let's see the detachable lock feature of Aloe glasswares. This is how you can detach the handle from the lid. You can easily put it back also, like this. You can stack the glass containers in this way too. You can use these containers in the freezer too. I've made some ice cream and kept it in the refrigerator in these containers. You can see that it withstands even the lowest temperature. Now I'm going to bake a cake in the biggest container. I have applied some butter and lined it with a butter paper, and applied some butter over the butter paper too. I have poured in the cake batter into the container and I have placed it in my OTG oven for baking. I made a half kg cake in this container and my cake was ready in 25 minutes. The glass container was super hot, so I took my butter cake out using thick mittens. I am so happy with the texture of the cake made in this glass container. After cooling down, you can even cut and store it in the same container. Nothing has stuck to the bottom of the container also. You can see that it's super clean. You can also use these containers for storing leftovers or food items in the refrigerator. It looks very neat and hygienic, and also there's an added benefit that you can see what is stored in different containers. Here I have kept some diced watermelon pieces in one of the containers, some fresh corns in the smaller container, and curry in the biggest container. After taking the curry from the refrigerator, you can directly place it in the microwave oven and reheat it. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that you should remove the lid and only use the glass container. You can also see that it is leak proof. When you tilt the container with the curry, nothing is getting leaked. It is very convenient as it is microwave oven safe. Another speciality is that these containers are dishwasher safe also. After removing the curry from the glass container, I have placed the glass container inside the dishwasher for cleaning. I have put only the glass part in the dishwasher. Now the wash cycle is over and you can see that our glass container is perfectly clean. No more oil stains is remaining in the glass container. The Aloe products provides you whatever they claims. I am highly impressed with the features and performance of these glass containers, and they are worth buying. Hope this review was useful for you. Thanks for watching.